Sup, kid, too technical. I'm back again with another video. Today, as you can see, I do have the Ghostek case for the S23 Ultra, but I currently do not have a S23 Ultra, but Ghostek was still like, hey, you got a dummy unit, you can still review this device. So here we are. So this is the dummy S23 Ultra, and we're just gonna take a look around this case. Because who's to say I could still get an S23 Ultra just later down this year or months to come. But anyways, this is the R7X. It says shock absorbing technology. So pretty much this is what you get. They were kind enough to send me over the black model. And this video is sponsored by Ghostek. So somewhere in the description I'll drop the my code so you can buy some of the products and I get a little bit of something from you picking up the case or whatever. So pretty much it does get wireless charging capability, it's non-slip grip, it's raised camera lip, and it just pretty much shows you it says Atomic Slim 4, and it pretty much shows you what it looks like on the case. And I do love Ghostek cases, and it's kind of a bummer that I do not have the S23 Ultra as of now, because these Ghostek case, this case does look and feel good. It has orange slits in here for protection. As you can see, this is for protection, better protection. So pretty much, let's pick up the dummy and throw it in like so. So you can see what it looks like. So pretty much, if you have the S23 Ultra and you do want to get a case from Ghostek, this is what this case will look like. Does look nice and it feels good in the hand. So pretty much you do get access to your power button. So I can't click it because this is not the real version, but this is your power button. This is your volume up and down button. Then you get some slits on the side for grip protection, and they do feel good. I don't know if you can hear that. They do feel good. They feel good and they look good also. They're right there. Then on the bottom here, you do get all your cutouts at the bottom, as you can see here. Don't know how well you can see that. Let's see if we can get the camera to focus. So you do get access for your USB charging port. You do get access for your microphone, and then you get access for your S Pen, and it looks like you should be able to get in there good. And on this side, you also get that little grip ridge, textured edge. And then at the top here, you do get a spot for your for a speaker. You do get nice lip protection, so if you place your phone down flat on the table, you should be good to go. At the back here, it is true, you do get good deep cutout for your camera, so you should be good to go. Overall, this does look good and it feels good in the hand. So just rate, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube tech channel, and I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.